Snap out of it. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, snap out of it. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get started. Snap out of it is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to stop experiencing a negative emotion or to stop focusing on something that's not helpful. It's often used when someone is feeling sad, distracted, or is worrying too much about something. For example, if your friend is feeling down about a test score, you might tell them to snap out of it and focus on the next opportunity. The phrase, snap out of it, is believed to have originated from the idea of snapping a finger to get someone's attention or to indicate a quick change. When we say, snap out of it, we're metaphorically suggesting that someone should quickly change their mood or focus, just as quick as a finger snap. Using snap out of it in conversation can be a bit tricky because it's important not to seem insensitive. It's best used with close friends or family members who understand your intentions. For example, you've been worrying about this all week. It's time to snap out of it and move on. I know you're upset, but you need to snap out of it and focus on the solution. It's crucial to avoid using snap out of it in serious situations, like clinical depression or severe anxiety, as it can seem dismissive of the person's feelings. This phrase is more suitable for mild, everyday situations. And that's a wrap on snap out of it. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the context and emotions they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.